गोंयांत ह्या वर्साच्या सोंपत्यार ना तर नव्या वर्साच्या सुरवेक गोवा टॅक्सी नांवान ॲप सुरू जातले. तातूंत सगळ्या टॅक्सी चालकांक आस्पावन घेतले. येरादारी आनी पर्यटन खाते दोनूय मेळून हे ॲप GEL हांचे कडसून करून घेतले म्हूण येरादारी मंत्री मविन गुदिनो उलयला. जाल्यार पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे सांगता टॅक्सी चालकां कडेन उलोवन तांकां विश्वासात घेवन फुडें पावल उखलतले. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Even when I had said Ola, Uber, I will be giving permission and it will come. Social media as well as every section of the population, they welcomed it because they are waiting for it. But Ola, Uber are having their own peculiar problems. As we have seen in Karnataka, they are banned from operating Ola, Uber. So also there are reports that huge debts are there. They may quit India. All this type are there. So rising to the occasion. Through our own gel, which is our means homegrown electronic preparation, we are trying to develop, taking all stakeholders, means all taxi holders, stakeholders, all taximen from various associations. You can literally say it should cover all taximen. They should feel this particular app is theirs. This is mine. So the ownership is with them. So we are working on those lines. Goa Taxi, it will be called Goa Taxi. We want to have this new app and along with them, we will be taking them into confidence, discussing with them and then taking them on board. Idea is, Goa Miles is already there. So there will be another app instead of Ola, Uber. And we plan to do this as soon as possible. Maybe by New Year we'll have this operational, where they will have a sense of belonging to that particular app, as well as it will ease transportation for the people. Otherwise, you know very well, ask kite jata the, kitle complain, social media against them. They also get a bad name. So I feel they should all come on board, feel that they are part of a particular app, and which Goa government, basically it will be like Goa government doing it for them.
Regarding an app, transport department has to be the nodal agency to get this app going. So त्याच्यासाठी CMan चर्चा करतले to understand how what we do. With technology coming in between, we have already been clear की app जायच म्हणून आणि ताच्या खातीर सरकारी app जातूंतल्यान सगळे एसोसिएशनान बरोबर घेवन चालप तांचे app, स्वता तांचे app आणि त्या ॲपान तांकां कशें बेनिफीट मेळटले आनी कितें आसा हाजेर ती बेसीक म्हाका दिसता प्रिलिमिनरी आज चर्चा जाल्या. Transport department, Mavin will be the person who will have the app getting into it. So I think as the things take shape, we will talk to you.
पण खूपशे लोकांमध्ये पर्टिक्युलरली तामणकरांनी त्याच्यात आक्षेप घातला की हे करता ते सारखे न्हू म्हणून.
लेट अस फर्स्ट अंडरस्टँड की आम्ही आता जे करता ते कोणाक कुशीक काढून हे लेट अस डिस्कस. वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग विथ एवरीबडी. ते बेटर ते कोणे कितें सांगलां म्हणून ते करच्या पेक्षा लेट अस अंडरस्टँड द सँक्टिटी ऑफ इट. टुरिजमान ॲप जाय, टॅक्नॉलॉजी खातीर टॅक्सीचे जाय, 40 आमदारां कडेन उलोवन जाला, चर्चा जाल्या, एसेंब्लीच्यान भायर सरून सगळ्यांक भायर सांगलां, भितर सांगलां. आतां ॲप प्लॅटफॉर्म नासतना कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाता दॅट ऑल्सो हॅज बीन डिस्कस्ड इन द पास्ट. So we are ready to discuss all these type of things. I think transport department will be talking. We will also require talk to the transport department, talk to you all.